Hey, it's Mr. Cornwell again. Today we're looking at another MajorClarity tutorial. This time we'll be talking about teacher codes. When you first log in, you'll come to the career exploration page, but that's not where we're spending our time today. To put in your teacher code, all you need to do is go up to edit your profile, and this brings you to a page where you can change a lot of things. I am going to suggest that you not change your password. And I don't believe changing communication will matter even if you put something new in. I think it will get deleted the next time PowerSchool updates the program. But let's not dwell on those things too much right now. Let's get to the point and go down to classroom codes, which is just down the page on the right. Your teacher should have given this to you. It's very similar to a Google Classroom code that you may have used before. You will take that code and type it in here, or if they give it to you digitally, you can copy and paste it and just click Save. That gives your teacher the ability to see some of your assessment results as well as the ability to give you assignments within MajorClarity. This was a quick one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.